What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be back to work on our BMW M5. As you guys see in the previous video, we did get everything nice and painted, and today we're gonna go ahead and start putting everything together. But before we get started on that, we do have some more hoodies on our website, so go ahead and go to Vtuned.com if you want to copy one and support the channel. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and start doing on this car is start putting together this passenger door. As you guys know, we did take everything apart to get everything painted, so let's go ahead and get all this stuff back on it. Install it and everything. So we got the entire door back together, you got the mirror on there, everything closes, it opens really nice. And we also went ahead and put this little BMW M5 trim piece right there, all that slipped into place. Now we're gonna go ahead and start working on the front end. So the first thing we actually need to do is we do have a couple more parts. These are all the little intake tubes. They actually go right in this area right here. So let's go ahead and put these on. So we pretty much have everything back together. We did have to retake all this stuff back apart because these vents slid into there, but we got everything back together. Now we're gonna go ahead and start working on the headlights, but before we do that, I wanna wipe all this down. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff from the sanding, but all that stuff should just wipe up. So we're gonna give everything a nice wash and then start working on the headlights. Oh yeah, boys. It's gotta be clean because then you won't be able to clean it. Yeah. So here's our headlight right here, and what we're gonna have to do is actually put all the modules from our old headlight back onto here, just so we don't have to reprogram anything. And we got this headlight a lot cheaper, so let's go ahead and swap all the modules from the old one to the new one. So we got both headlights all bolted on, everything's ready to go. Now we need to just reassembling the bumper. Oh, they're already painted. That's pretty cool. I didn't think they'd be painted. Full wire? Battery. Oh, yeah. So check that out, guys. We pretty much got the entire car back together. We are still missing a couple pieces that are actually on back order from the dealership, but what we're gonna do right now is go ahead and give it a nice wash and take it up the road and maybe do a little price reveal for you guys.
rip it one time. Yo, put it on open valves, and I want to hear the exhaust for a second. Gosh, that sounds good.
I don't think it's in limp mode no more.
Because you bled the
coolant, and we also put on that new wiring harness, which came with the ambient air sensor, and I'm pretty sure that's why it was in limp mode last time.
Oh, okay, sweet. All right, let's go take it to the spot and do a little price reveal and stuff.
Let's do it.
All right, see if the thing's quicker than last time.
Oh,
is it good now?
Oh yeah. Now it feels way faster now.
Yeah, definitely out of limp mode now.
Oh, now it pops way more.
Yo, this thing's on.
See, it drives perfectly straight, no problems.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Because I remember from driving it the first time, it drives really good still too.
Oh yeah, the exhaust sounds really good.
Oh.
Wait, where's this place?
It's right here to the right.
Dang, it sounds so
and those
good.
pops behind it. Oh, here, I want to see if I can get some pops.
Dang, that sounds insane.
This thing is hot. I have one pull here. Oh my, I could barely hold onto the camera, man.
That is insane. For such a big car, this thing just takes off so fast.
That's what I'm saying. I could barely hold onto the camera.
That's
I was
crazy.
like throwing it at me. Oh my god.
So I wonder how it would be whenever you launch it. I bet it's gonna be insane.
Oh, if you launch
I think we need to get some new tires before you can actually get some good times, because the rear tires are kind of burned out. I guess whoever owned it kind of did a little bit of something in it. So we just got to this beautiful location over here. We're gonna do a little overview of the car. We are still waiting on a couple of pieces, like these little marker lamps right here and the fender liners, which the thing is, they are on order, but they're on back order. And that's the thing that sucks about buying new cars, especially like an M5. This is a specialty car. There's not much parts cars available out there, or if there is, they're usually completely destroyed. And this car feels so much faster now that we got the front wiring harness installed. And I'm guessing the car was in limp mode last time because the check engine light was on and we checked it, and it was the front ambient temperature sensor, which we put a new one on there, and the car feels so much faster. It's crazy. But check it out, guys. The car turned out absolutely amazing. The paint turned out perfect. All this is blacked out, and we are also waiting on this camera right here. It's super hard to find a used one, and like I said, back order from the dealer, but we should be having it in like a week or two, so we'll probably put all that stuff on off camera. It's really not big parts, but check it out. The front end is pretty much complete. We put all the grills on, we put on all the plastics, everything went in perfectly. Everything here is perfect, and we'll just have to pop the bumper off, put that other stuff on, and the car will be 100% complete. So I am kind of in a rush today because I am leaving town, but we just want to get this video out for you guys because it's been kind of a minute since we've done one, and we are going to be doing a little bit more stuff to this car, like probably either replacing these rims or just refinishing them, because this one's good. I'm pretty sure the backs are kind of scratched up right here. We have some curb damage right there. I guess he hit something right there, and then the back other side are pretty bad too. They got some pretty serious curb damage, but I don't know if we should replace them, either get some aftermarkets, because these are the competition sport rims, which look really good on the car already, and we will also need to get some new tires in the back, because I'm guessing the previous owner did a couple of donuts, which we might do a little bit later. Hey guys, now that we have this car done, and once we get our McLaren, we are also going to start a little vlog channel where we're just going to be doing all the cool stuff that we don't really do on Vtuned. Vtuned is usually just like fixing cars. As you can see, this car turned out absolutely amazing. We're going to do a little bit more stuff to it, and then on our vlog channel we'll probably go ahead and do like the upgrades, like the exhaust. Maybe we'll upgrade the exhaust, not too sure. Just drop some links down below. Maybe we can see what other exhaust sounds really good on this car. We might also do a tune, some downpipes, and maybe some intakes. So now let's go ahead and talk some numbers about how much this car costed for us. So we paid $36,840 off auction with all the fees, and then we had around $13,000 in parts. Mainly the most expensive parts were like the headlights that are like $1,100 a piece, plus the airbags were a lot too. Like the wheel airbag alone is $1,000, and then the roof airbags were like $400. So it wasn't too bad, but the total price for the car is around $50,000, and these M3s, or M5s, my bad, on eBay or other places they're going for around 75 to 80 grand. So that's like 30 grand off the top of this car, and labor on this car probably around 5K to do this job, because I mean it wasn't too much. There was just a lot of stuff to put together in the front. So guys, that's gonna be pretty much a wrap for today's video, and guys, you will be seeing this car a lot, especially on our vlog channel, and we do have a little bit more work, probably like 2 more hours worth of labor to finish this car 100% once those parts come in from BMW. But we're just gonna do all that off camera, and you guys are gonna see this car a lot, especially we're gonna be racing the McLaren. And a little update on the McLaren, we did order all the parts. There should be here probably next week, so we can go ahead and get started back on that car. So if you guys enjoyed this build series, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, drop a like, check us out on Instagram at Vtuned, and also if you want to cop some new merch, head over to vtuned.com. Thanks for watching.